So, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a one topic in front of you guys. So, why Indian parents should bring their child to traveling as a student?
Indian parents should bring their children with their own self on a traveling because with the help of traveling they can go anywhere. The children in the future will go anywhere. Like he want to travel somewhere, so he can travel with his own. He don't need any kind of parents. And if he want to go somewhere for his institute for the future, we need coaching for institute, good institute. So if it would be, you can say we need to travel for that. So the child can easily travel for that because he knows the map. If the child will know the map, so there might be a chance that there is 100. I am 100% sure many more things he will speak, and he will know how to travel in the metro. Like now we are going in the metro, so I will in the future when I need to travel, observation skill, speaking skill, and also everything will develop in the child. Mohit.
And according to my point of view, it's a very great way to enhance ourselves, to explore the things, to observe the things. For example, as you know, now we are going in the public place that people are seeing us and we are seeing. So it is also it will be count in the public fair, but or public speaking. So if if the parents bring their children in this type of traveling, so they will got the new experience, new observations. So because of that, they can enhance their personal skills, or you can say personal habits, self-esteem type of thing they can enhance. So this side, Mohit, thank you.